Suppose that you have a PDF file. I mean, you don't really gotta suppose, because you came here because you had one. Anyway. And you wanted to export just one page of that PDF or a range of pages. This tutorial will cover exactly the thing. Go to this page. I'll link it in the description. Then click this arrow and select, from device. Then upload your PDF and let it upload. Then click, extract pages, and then click, extract. Now maybe you want to print just one page. Like this one. Which is at page 12 of this particular PDF. You can go here and tick the page 12 and click extract. Or maybe you wanted a range. You can simply tick the pages that you want extracted and then click this extract button. For this tutorial, we'll extract just one page. Then click here and it'll process it. Click this download button and select your location. And as you can see, we've got a PDF of only that one page. And it's an actual PDF and there was no loss of quality. And we are done. Thanks for watching. Give the video a thumbs up and a sub to QuickS Coder.